Welcome to the first Trans-Tasman Tuna Tournament. This is a fishing competition that has no rules or prizes. It sees an Australian and New Zealand team go head-to-head. This year, the tournament is taking place off the coast of Melbourne and sees New Zealand-born Phil Matson take on Australian's biggest fishing personality, George. The goal: to catch a bluefin tuna over 100 kilograms.
It's the wrong way, man.
Oh, we're already fucking barreled one, mate.
The tournament starts with George and Phil assembling their teams at the local boat ramp and launching their Makaira boats.
We're in Coronella and we're going under the New Haven Bridge and out towards the windmills for some tuna. That bright's real light. Like, what's it called? Fucking burning my eyes out. It is, look, I'm gonna put my glasses on. Yeah, so hopefully we get one.
Blood the deck, first one would be good.
Hey, did you copy that George guy with that colour?
Hopefully get one in before George. That's the main goal, isn't it? Eh?
The two teams race out of the harbour and quickly come across birds.
Barrels, mate. Look, there's some life here, look. The birds are starting, Jesus.
Both teams mark bait and decide to start their fishing here.
Just head out on your left. We got all the dolphins working hard left, George, 9 o'clock.
The younger Australian team, who are the hot favourites, have their gear prepared and quickly get their lures in the water first.
Game on, let's go!
While the more seasoned crew in Team New Zealand take their time, carefully selecting their spread.
Yeah, that's got a bit of pink in it, eh? So that'll go.
That'll catch him, Graham, I reckon.
I think you're right. It's Australia versus New Zealand. We got New Zealand over there, so keep the sheep over there. We like an Aussie snag or a shrimp on the barbecue, so we'll stay on that program.
I sit at the back, so I know to grab the rod the quickest.
Yeah, so we've moved in. I've gone out the eastern entrance. We've now come across a bit of dolphin, seals, a little bit of a workup. We need to really find where the fish are going to be located. So there's a few different spots we're going to target. Just jump between them until we mark the fish and hopefully get tight. Rip him up, let's go.
It doesn't take long for Team Australia to make the decision that there must be better sign further east. Team New Zealand continue to work the area, choosing to fish what is in front of them.
Under them birds there, Al, they're starting to fire up, mate.
Rightio, so we've just progressed a little bit further up. We've got a few boats around us. The mutton birds are really building up, which is what we had the other day when we caught one. Got some dolphins, some seals. The mammals seem to work in really well with the barrels, so hopefully it won't take long. We'll start marking them on the sounder, the rod will go off and George will lose his shit and we'll have another VB and life will be good.
The grenades. Yeah.
How good's this country?
Thanks for letting me in.
Nah, no worries. I'll kick you out tomorrow.
Makaira 1, are you there?
Yeah, this is Makaira 2. Copy?
Yeah, we're tight on a fish.
Yeah, copy, mate. We'll see you very shortly. Well done.
Yes! Yes! Bring it back to strike.
Yeah,
Don't put too much on him.
It is. Wait, what lure was this, Graham? What one did I tell you was going to catch it?
We're going past one now, look.
George will be gone. You Lockie, we should have stayed there with Phil.
Fucking Phil. Phil. Good on you, Phil. Should have jumped on his boat.
Let's get it on board now, eh? Oh, he deserves this. He's put enough miles in with me. We had a ringing bloody Aussie who was a temporary bloody Kiwi for the day, Greggy.
What's it like batting for New Zealand, Greggy?
At the minute, it's pretty hard work. I was on Team Kiwi. Yeah. They took me in. Honestly, I don't think any of them wanted to be on the rod, to be honest. So.
Greg and I have been fishing for a fair while, and it was like as soon as we hooked up, it was like, Greg, that's your fish, mate. It's like he hadn't pulled one in before, so it's been a long time coming.
Is that them now? Who's on it? Not Phil. That won't be happening on this boat. It's f***ing me.
Rightio, so we're punching up to the boys that are hooked up right now, and we've come across a good punch of birds, dolphins, seals, a whale in there as well, and hopefully there's a barrel on our way that we might hook up.
Man, they're on one. Are they? I hope so. Look.
It's just on the surface here, guys.
Do you reckon they can see us? They're not waving.
There he is, mate. He's just about to break the surface.
Walk back.
I need him closer. No. Right, someone else, I need a hand. This is fucking heavy fish. Hang on, I haven't got a great gaff in. I don't have a great gaff shot. Just watch get the door out, someone.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, mate. Yes! It's a good fatty. It's a chunky one.
Team New Zealand have landed the first bluefin tuna of the day. The Australian team, who are now fishing close by, can't help but come in for a closer look.
We gave you that mark anyway.
What are you smiling for, Phil? You should be sad I missed out. Its girth is as big as yours, Phil. I must have eaten a shitload of donuts. What arseholes, man. Yeah, at least I didn't get one, you f***ing dogs. If we don't get one, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm going back to modelling.
Going back to
Oh, you know, because I was the best at that. Yeah. F***ing grouse.
And why'd you stop?
Because I had a sore back.
Understandably, Team Australia are upset that the New Zealand team have scored first.
They're not gonna have another shot, are they? That's it, tell them to f*** off.
But it's not over yet. There are still a couple of hours left before stop fishing, and no one knows if the Kiwis tuna will weigh in over 100 kilograms.
There's a barrel there.
Where? A barrel? Yep, there's one. Oh, there's a seal there.
Yeah.
The Australians spend the next 2 hours fishing,
You're spewing, you came on our boat.
but they are unable to get a bite. So they decide to head in.
F*** you, Phil.
Their only hope is that the Kiwis' fish doesn't make weight.
95. 96.
Phil, all the pictures are of me.
It's chunky though, like it's fat.
Yeah, it's fat.
As the bluefin tuna is lifted high into the air, the teams take a deep breath.
I can't see up that high.
The New Zealand team is victorious. They have managed to catch a 100-kilogram barrel.
Wait, did you want another photo with it, George?
The Kiwis are announced the winners of the Trans-Tasman Tuna Tournament.
You gotta wait for him to get going.
Hey, there's lollies. Oh, you fucking dickhead. Don't be stupid, man. I've got gumboots on. And, I pissed a bit. Don't, kid. Fuck off. I'm gonna punch you in the face. I'm gonna piss. Hey, look. Dolphins on the right.
Stop
See
it.
them working up there, look.
Yeah, we got heaps here, don't worry. Did you get stage fright?
Now I pissed on my hands.
Ooh. That had green in it. Ooh. Nice.
I spewed on the reel.
How's the modelling career going?
I can't do this for a career. Thanks, Phil. Thanks, mate. Thanks a lot. Can't help. Stop filming me. Stop filming me.